concept of jihad is one of the most misunderstood terms in Islam, both by Muslims and non-Muslims. At its core, jihad means struggle or striving and is a central principle in Islamic teachings. Contrary to popular misconceptions, it is not synonymous with violence or warfare. Instead, it encompasses a broader and deeper struggle for self-improvement, justice, and peace. Below is a detailed explanation of the true essence of jihad. Definition of jihad. Literal meaning: the Arabic word jihad derives from the root word jahada, which means to strive or exert effort. It implies a struggle to achieve a goal. Spiritual context: in Islam, jihad primarily refers to striving in the way of God. This includes self-discipline, moral integrity, and working for the betterment of society. Types of jihad. The concept of jihad can be divided into several forms, each with a unique focus. Greater jihad, jihad al-akbar, the inner struggle. Self-purification. This is the internal struggle to overcome negative traits such as greed, anger, and selfishness. It involves striving to develop virtues like patience, kindness, and honesty. Spiritual growth. Muslims are encouraged to draw closer to God through prayer, fasting, charity, and other acts of worship. Ethical living. The struggle to live a moral and ethical life, resisting temptations and upholding integrity in all aspects of life. B. Lesser jihad. Jihad al-asghar, physical struggle. Defensive warfare. This refers to the limited and conditional permission for Muslims to engage in combat, but only in defense and under strict guidelines. It is not meant to be aggressive or offensive. Strict conditions. Warfare is only allowed to protect the innocent, defend religious freedom, or repel aggression. Non-combatants such as women, children, the elderly, and civilians must not be harmed. Peace as the goal. Even in warfare, peace and reconciliation are preferred outcomes, as the Quran emphasizes resolving conflicts through dialogue and treaties. C. Social and intellectual jihad. Promoting justice. This involves striving against social injustices like poverty, oppression, and inequality, working for the welfare of all people. Spreading knowledge. Intellectual jihad is the effort to educate and raise awareness about truth, ethics, and the principles of Islam. Non-violent activism. Muslims are encouraged to address challenges through peaceful means such as dialogue, writing, and community engagement. Misconceptions about jihad. Misinterpretation as violence. The term jihad has often been misrepresented as holy war. However, the Quran does not use the term in this way. The phrase holy war is not an Islamic concept. It is a Western term that has been correctly associated with jihad. Islam strictly forbids aggression and terrorism, as highlighted in verses like Quran 5:32. Whoever kills a soul, it is as if he has slain all of mankind. And whoever saves one, it is as if he has saved all of mankind. B. Extremism and its rejection. Extremist groups have exploited the concept of jihad to justify violence, which directly contradicts Islamic teachings. The Quran calls for patience, forgiveness, and non-violence as primary approaches to resolving disputes. The Quranic perspective on jihad. The Quran emphasizes the peaceful and constructive aspects of jihad. Striving for knowledge. The Quran repeatedly encourages reflection, learning, and intellectual growth. Seeking knowledge is considered a form of jihad. Patience and forgiveness. Muslims are urged to show patience in the face of challenges and to forgive others. The Quran states, repel evil with what is better, 41:34. Peace as a goal. Even in conflict, Muslims are instructed to seek peace whenever possible. If they incline to peace, then incline to it also, 861. Prophet example. The life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, provides a practical demonstration of the true jihad. Non-violence in Makkah. During the early years of Islam, the Prophet and his followers faced severe persecution but remained steadfast, responding with patience and prayer instead of violence. Peace treaties. Even when faced with hostility, the Prophet sought peace through treaties, such as the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, which was a major step toward reconciliation. Jihad in the modern context. Personal growth. Muslims are encouraged to focus on improving themselves both spiritually and morally to contribute positively to their families, communities, and societies. B. Addressing social issues. Jihad today involves striving to address global challenges like poverty, inequality, and environmental issues through peaceful and constructive efforts. C. Intellectual and ideological struggle. In a world of misinformation and prejudice, Jihad entails spreading the truth about Islam through education, dialogue, and mutual understanding. Core principles of true Jihad. Peace and compassion. The ultimate goal of Jihad is to establish peace, not conflict. Patience and perseverance. Enduring hardship and resisting anger or vengeance is a form of Jihad. Justice and mercy. Upholding justice while showing mercy is a central aspect of striving in the way of God. Non-violence. The Quran and prophetic teachings prioritize non-violence and reconciliation. Conclusion. The true essence of Jihad lies in striving for personal excellence, promoting justice, and working toward the welfare of humanity. It is a peaceful and constructive effort to bring oneself and society closer to the ideals of truth, morality, and compassion. By adhering to these principles, Jihad becomes a means to achieve inner peace, social harmony, and spiritual fulfillment.